Rewrite the statements by choosing the appropriate options. Dash was the head of the interim government. Option A, Vallabhbhai Patel. Option B, Mahatma Gandhi. Option C, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Option D, Barrister Jinnah. Correct answer is option C, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The plan of creation of two independent nations, India and Pakistan, was made by Dash. Option A, Lord Wavell. Option B, Stafford Cripps. Option C, Lord Mountbatten. Option D, Pethick Lawrence. Correct answer is option C, Lord Mountbatten. Answer the following questions in one sentence. Which demand was advocated by Barrister Jinnah? The two-nation theory and demand for a separate Muslim nation named Pakistan were advocated by Barrister Jinnah. Write the name of the ministers participating in cabinet mission. Pethick Lawrence, Stafford Cripps and Harvey Alexander were the ministers participating in the cabinet mission. Explain the following statements with reasons. The Indian National Congress approved the partition. Lord Mountbatten had discussions with prominent leaders of India. Thereafter, he prepared a plan of creation of India and Pakistan as two independent nations. Indian National Congress opposed the plan of partition. Unity of the nation was the basic stand of Indian National Congress, but the Muslim League remained adamant on the creation of Pakistan. National Congress was left with no option but to accept the decision of partition with complete helplessness. The working of interim government could not run smoothly. The Muslim League initially denied to participate in the interim government but later participated in it. But since the leaders of Muslim League adopted the policy of obstruction, hence the interim government could not work smoothly. The Wavell plan could not become successful. Barrister Jinnah insisted that only the Muslim League should have the right to suggest the names of Muslim representatives to the Viceroy's Executive Council, but the Congress opposed it. Therefore, the Wavell plan could not be successful. Write the events on the following timeline. 1945, Wavell plan was declared. 1946, delegation of 3 ministers, cabinet mission plan. 1947, India got independence. 1948, Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated. Answer the following questions in brief. Why did the British took steps towards granting freedom to India? During the period of Second World War, Indian freedom struggle had become more extensive. The demand for independence of India was gaining its strength. The British rulers realized that it was necessary to take a serious note of it. Accordingly, the British government started preparing various plans for granting independence to India. Fact information about Mountbatten plan. England's Prime Minister Attlee had announced that England would leave its dominion on India before June 1948. On the background of transfer of power in India, Lord Mountbatten was appointed as Viceroy of India. Mountbatten had discussions with prominent leaders of India. Thereafter, he prepared a plan of creation of India and Pakistan as two independent nations. Indian National Congress opposed the plan of partition. Unity of the nation was the basic stand of Indian National Congress, but the Muslim League remained adamant on the creation of Pakistan. National Congress was left with no option but to accept the decision of partition with complete helplessness. Why did Muslim League declare to observe 16 August as Direct Action Day? What were its effects? Since the demand for Pakistan was not being fulfilled, the Muslim League decided for direct action. Accordingly, 16 August 1946 was declared to be observed as Direct Action Day by the Muslim League. The followers of Muslim League resorted to violent ways. There were Hindu-Muslim riots in various parts of the country. There were massacres in the Noakhali region in the province of Bengal.